Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert. Today we are in Anaheim, California for an exciting new home tour at Western Skies Mobile Home Park. Anaheim is a fantastic place to live with so much to do. Whether you're visiting Disneyland, catching a game at Angel Stadium, or enjoying a day at the Anaheim Packing District, there's something for everyone here. Now, let's talk about the home we're touring today. This is a 2024 Champion Homes model featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an impressive 1,310 square feet of space. The home measures 23 feet by 56 feet, and it's priced at $249,900 in place, with space rent at $1,675 per month. But if you want this home on your own property, you can order it for less than $200,000. As you can see, the carport is facing the street. We've installed the home this way due to space limitations within the park, ensuring you have easy access and functionality. Let's go take a look inside. We're entering the home through the utility closet, where you'll find space for a side-by-side washer and dryer, as well as a convenient closet for additional storage. Stepping into this great open floor plan, you immediately notice the 9-foot flat ceilings that make the space feel even more expansive. First, let's check out the living area. There's plenty of space here for your furniture and accessories, and the windows bring in tons of natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Now, let's move on to the kitchen. This large kitchen island is a standout feature, complete with a breakfast bar that can comfortably seat more than 3 people. And the best part? You can customize this kitchen island to suit your style and needs. Check out this farmhouse-style sink paired with a gooseneck faucet. Not only does it add a touch of elegance, but it also offers functionality with its deep basin and high arc spout, making it easier to wash large pots and pans. Above the kitchen island, you'll find stylish modern pendant lights that add a chic touch to the space. And there's even room to add a small table in the dining area, which comes with a great overhead light. There's plenty of storage in this home as well. What do you think of these brown cabinets? Let me know in the comments below. The kitchen also comes equipped with brand new Whirlpool appliances, ready for all your culinary adventures. Rate this living and kitchen area from 1 to 10 in the comments below. Moving on, we have 2 other bedrooms, each a standard size where you can easily fit a full-size bed. Perfect for family, guests, or even a home office. The guest bathroom has a similar color scheme to the kitchen, keeping the design consistent throughout the home. It comes with a shower tub combo and these nice vanity lights that add a touch of luxury. And now, let's head to the master bedroom. You'll love the natural lighting in here, with these stacked windows that help to open up the space and create a serene retreat. The master bathroom is modern and packed with great features. You get a separate toilet area, a standing shower, and a his and her sink, offering both convenience and style. And don't forget about the large walk-in closet, providing even more storage space. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all our home tours and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.